Hello and welcome, students. Today we're gonna learn another type of objects, the object of preposition. An object of preposition is a noun or a pronoun that comes after a preposition and completes the prepositional phrase. It is when a prepositional word is used to show position in relation to an object in a sentence. Let's get to know some rules of the object of preposition that will help you understand how to use them in a sentence. First, object of preposition should always be a noun or a pronoun. You cannot use verbs, adverbs, or adjectives. For example, he is going too quickly. Does it make sense? No, this is wrong, since quickly is an adverb. Object of preposition should always be located after the preposition in a sentence. You should follow this formula: subject, verb, preposition, object. Object of preposition should always refer to a person, thing, or place, which means you cannot use it with abstract concepts such as love or hate. For example, you cannot say, "I am going to love." Here are some examples that show us how objects of preposition are used. The books are on the shelf. On is the prepositional word, and shelf is the object of preposition. We are showing the position of the books in relation to the shelf. He is walking with his dog. With is the preposition, and dog is the object of preposition that refers to with. And as you can see, this sentence is following the formula: subject, he, verb is walking, preposition, with, and the object, his dog. One last example. Ben is telling us about his summer. About is the preposition. What is Ben telling us about? His summer. Summer is the object of preposition. Now it's time for an activity. Find the object of preposition in the sentences below. Number 1. He jumped over the fence and hurt himself. Where is the preposition? Over. That's right. He jumped over what? The fence. Then fence is the object of preposition. Number 2. We met in China. Let's use the help of the formula we talked about. We is the subject of the sentence. Met is the verb. In is obviously the prepositional word. Hence, China is the object of preposition. Great! Now you have to show me that you can solve the rest without any help. Go on. And after that, you may take the answer key. That is all for today. Thank you. Until next time.